Well, welcome to the channel, guys. I'm going to be taking this vacuum pump off on this 2008 Mini to replace the oil seal that I think is leaking in the back here. So I got a couple of 10mm bolts here, one here and one on the other side right here. This vacuum connector I'm going to take off. Pretty straightforward. Let's see here, I need a different tool here. Trusty 10mm. Oh, actually it's an 8mm. Okay, 8mm. Now it is. Ooh. So yeah, I think these things are a common leak point on these little minis here. Here. This is a 2008 Mini base model, non-turbo. Was it the N12 in here? 1.6. Needs a few repairs. It's got crank seal leak, oil filter housing leak. Now today, just going to take care of this. Go from there. Alright, first time doing this. We'll see. It comes off now. Might get a little higher here. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Okay, well this is the seal that I'm going to be taking out. You can see that it's evidence of leaking down here. It's because it always gone past the seal here. And it's still soft. But there's no protrusion. Yeah. Okay, we can get on the bench. Hey guys, I'm back cleaning up the vacuum pump. This is the O-ring I'm going to be replacing bit. So we're replacing with Erling Das O-ring, must be German. So got it all nice and clean, best we can get. Original O-ring is still here. We're going to rip that out and replace it with the new O-ring. We're install it on the engine block, which is nice and clean. Cleaned all the edges here. Just used like a little, basically like a Scotch-Brite pad, and clean up all the dried oil and the dried silicone. I had some sort of silicone on here. Maybe it was from someone else. Give it a good brake clean, and we can throw it back together. Okay guys, here we're going to do the install here I'm gonna put this guy back down there. Line up the cam and the pump shaft key, which I did already. Make sure that O-ring is sitting nice. You just kind of gotta work it in. Let me see how that stuck in there. How's that key? Let's see here. About there. Struggle here. Oh, it moves on you. Let's go that way. It's kind of like right there. What's this? Nope. Let's try this again. This guy likes to move on you when you're throwing it in there. I might throw a little lube on here just to make it slide in here. Take that look. And there comes it right like that. Like that. Does that work? Oh boy, this is turning out to be great. Pastime here. Alright, let's try again. Looks pretty close. Nothing in the way. Oh, it's going. There it is. I normally don't like to use hammer on any install. But this one here, it was a tight fit with the boss on the pump going into and cylinder head. Anyways, so all I'm going to do here now is just put these 8mm bolts in, tighten it up, put the vacuum line in, the vacuum line for the booster. I checked to see if there's any oil inside here. There wasn't. This is a check valve, vacuum going in, nothing comes out this way. O-ring here has been replaced, O-ring here has been replaced, O-ring between this pump and this cylinder head have been replaced. I put a little bit of oil in here, cleaned it up, put a little bit of oil in here, just a film to lubricate the moving parts. Anyways, that's it guys. I'm going to finish off here.